Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the latest and most amazing developments in robotics and artificial intelligence. In this video, I will show you the top 7 humanoid robots that are changing the world with their incredible abilities and features. These robots are not only designed to look like humans, but also to act, interact, and even create like humans. Let's get started. Number 7. Ameca is a humanoid robot that can create and perform various forms of art, such as drawings, paintings, sculptures, and poetry. She is named after Ada Lovelace, who is considered the first computer programmer. She was created in 2019 by Aidan Mellor, a gallerist, and a team of scientists and engineers from Oxford University and Leeds University. Ameca uses artificial intelligence algorithms to generate her artworks, based on the input data she receives from her cameras and sensors. Ameca is considered the world's first ultra-realistic humanoid robot artist, and has raised many questions about the role and impact of artificial intelligence on creativity, identity, and society. Some of her artworks explore these themes, such as her self-portraits, which challenge the notion of selfhood in the digital age. Number 6. Sophia. Sophia is a social humanoid robot developed by the Hong Kong-based company Hanson Robotics. She is designed to mimic human gestures, facial expressions, and conversations. She is also the world's first robot citizen and the first robot innovation ambassador for the United Nations Development Program. Sophia uses a combination of different artificial intelligence methods, such as symbolic AI, neural networks, machine perception, natural language processing, and adaptive motor control. She can recognize human faces and emotions, and estimate your feelings during a conversation. She also has her own emotions, which are based on simulating human evolutionary psychology and brain regions. Sophia is a very popular robot, and has appeared in many media outlets and events around the world. She has also spoken at the United Nations, the World Economic Forum, and the Future Investment Summit. Sophia is not only a social robot, but also a platform for advanced robotics and AI research. Sophia is a remarkable example of how science, engineering, and artistry can create a human-like robot that can inspire people and challenge our notions of intelligence and consciousness. Number 5. Ameka. The third robot on our list is Ameka, a new humanoid robot that aims to be the most realistic and expressive ever created. Ameka was developed by Engineered Arts, a UK-based company that specializes in creating lifelike robots for entertainment and education. Ameka has a silicone skin that covers 37 metal and plastic motors that allow her to move her head, eyes, mouth, and neck. She also has a camera in each eye that enables her to track faces and objects, and a speaker in her mouth that lets her speak in any language. Ameka can display a range of emotions, from happiness to sadness, and can even cry tears. Number 4. Serena. So moving on to number 4, we have Serena, a humanoid robot that was developed by researchers at the University of Tehran in Iran. Serena is one of the most advanced humanoid robots in terms of locomotion and manipulation. He can walk on uneven terrain, climb stairs, avoid obstacles, grasp objects, and perform complex tasks such as opening doors and turning valves. He can also recognize faces, voices, and gestures, and respond to commands. He has been used for various applications such as education, research, disaster response, and social interaction. Number 3. Ameca. The next robot on our list is Ameca, a humanoid robot that was created by Hiroshi Ishiguro, a professor at Osaka University in Japan. Ameca is considered to be one of the most human-like robots ever made, with realistic skin, hair, eyes, and facial expressions. She can engage in natural conversations with humans using her voice synthesis system and her artificial intelligence software. She can also learn from her interactions and adapt her behavior accordingly. She has been involved in several projects such as hosting a TV show, starring in a movie, and working as a receptionist. Number 2. Nadine. The second robot on our list is Nadine, a humanoid robot that was developed by researchers at Nanyang Technological University in Singapore. Nadine is a humanoid social robot that is modeled on Professor Nadia Magnanat Thalman, a computer graphics and virtual reality pioneer. Nadine is powered by artificial intelligence, AI, and has human-like gestures and expressions. Nadine can interact with people in several languages, remember conversations, recognize faces, and simulate emotions. Nadine has been used as a customer service agent, a companion for the elderly, and an exhibit in a museum. Nadine is one of the most realistic humanoid social robots in the world, and could have an important future role to play in tending to the sick and elderly. Number 1, Pepper. And finally, the number 1 robot on our list is Pepper, a humanoid robot that was designed by SoftBank Robotics in Japan. Pepper is one of the most popular and widely used humanoid robots in the world. He is designed to be friendly, cheerful, and empathetic. He can communicate with humans using his voice, gestures, and touchscreen. He can also perceive human emotions and respond accordingly. He has been employed in various sectors such as retail, hospitality, education, and healthcare. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing humanoid robots that are reshaping the future of humanity. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time.